is the importance of the technologies as the today's time to improving our the productivity, to improving our the quality, and reducing the time and the workload. So today's we are going to discuss about one such a field. So let's begin today's topic. So a very good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Shivam Kumar Singh, and today's my seminar topic is mechatronics. And in this topic, we are going to be cover introduction, history, working, applications, and the advantages. So, starting with the introduction, mechatronics is a multidisciplinary field which combine of the mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science, along with the control panel, robotics design, automation system. Now you are all trying to be imagine that here is the word mechanical and here is the word electronics. It took mecha from the mechanical and tronics from the electronics and combine them to make mechatronics. Now mechatronics work, how to work, let us understand that mechatronic systems involving in the mechanical part, sensor, actuator, and microprocessor, which works together to perform a specified task and the collect the data to work and further for the working applications. Now talking about the history. So as the meeting conducted in Japan in 1969 on the topic of new field of the engineering, then Tetsuo Mori was the senior engineer of the Yaskawa Electrical Corporations, and he is the participant in this meeting. And he is the first man. The term of the mechatronics was the coined by the him. Mechatronics is grown up to the mechatronics is grown up as per the requirement to control a complex systems, like example of the robotics, like example of the manufacturing, like example of the automations. And and over the time, mechatronics involving a wide range of the applications, such as the automobile also, medical fields also. Now,
Powerful people come from powerful places. Gang கூட்டிட்டு வரவன் gangster. ஒத்தையா வரவன் monster.
so it is the video only for the support of the mechatronics, not for the against of any other fields. Now talking about the working principle, where the mechatronics has included the integrations and the various types of the components, where the mechanical part provides force and motion, where the sensor and actuator collect the data and try to change the environment by the help of microcontrollers and the control panel, and they are all worked together, and the microprocessor and the controllers analyze the data what's given by the sensor and actuator, and on the basis of that analyzed data it comes to a decision. In a second, if you want to be a good mechatronics engineer, then you have to be good knowledge in the sensor actuator robotics, embedded devices, hydraulics, pneumatics. Now coming on the topic of the classifications of the mechatronics products. As the mechatronics is the very broad and the very big field, due to which it captures most of the market. If we talk about the electronics product, it has the camera, audio equipments. If we talk about the vehicle system, it has the automobile industry, aircraft, also the airport and security system. If we talk about the communication system, then it has the satellites, radar system, telephones, onboard control system, have the aerospace, marine, weapon, space system. Also we are in the medical systems, that biometric instrument have the MRI, CT scan, and like that of. If anything is missing out, then it comes under the consumer applications.
Very nice.
And it's coming the consumer applications, have the smart refrigerator, telephone, computer, this kind of thing that we are using in our daily life. Now everyone has the two sides. Similarly, mechatronics has the advantage as well as disadvantage. First we are talking about the advantages. Of course, mechatronics product is the cost effective and the worth it. Now it's provide excellent performance.
2 year course, na?
Its result in the automations,
3 years course.
its result in the good quality,
Yeah, and the
and mechatronics increase the productivity of the any organizations to implant the automations, and its life is the and its higher life is expected by the proper maintenance. But now talking about the disadvantage. Yes, the initial cost of the mechatronics is the high. As per now, you are thinking that if you have to do a work, then you have to be planted all the systems for the automation. So initial cost is the high, maintenance and repair is also high. Also high. As per mechatronics engineering, this background is required to design and implementations, and it is the broad concept and it is the broad field. Then it's every member has to be every member has to be good knowledge and the highly trained people required for this. So thank you so much. If any queries, so I am here.
Any faculty